Have you ever needed to get input from a user in your Java program? Maybe you need to ask the user for their name, age, or some other piece of information. In Java, you can use the scanner class to read input from the user. The scanner class is part of the Java util package and is used to read input from various sources, such as the keyboard or a file. To use the scanner class, you first need to create an instance of the class. This creates a new scanner object called scanner that reads input from the keyboard. Now, you can use various methods of the scanner class to read input from the user. For example, you can use the next line method to read a line of text from the user. This reads a line of text entered by the user and stores it in a variable called name. You can then use this variable to perform operations on the output. You can also use other methods of the scanner class to read input of different types, such as integers, floats, or booleans. For example, to read an integer from the user, you can use the nextInt method. This reads an integer entered by the user and stores it in a variable called age. Let's say you are building a program that calculates the area of a rectangle, and you need to get the length and width of the rectangle from the user. You could use the scanner class to accomplish this task. This prompts the user to enter the length and width of the rectangle, reads the input using the scanner class, calculates the area, and outputs the result to the console. The scanner class is a powerful tool for reading input in Java and is used in a wide range of applications, from simple console programs to complex user interfaces. I hope this video has helped you understand the basics of the scanner class in Java, and I encourage you to experiment with the class in your own programming projects.